So we grabbed this wooden lattice wall decor from Hobby Lobby in the clearance section for $2.79. And we started by painting the center square with Wise Owl Black. We love to check out the clearance aisle. You can find some nice decor there that you can just refinish and give it your own touch. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And once I had the center covered, I grabbed this galvanized bucket. It has like a flat back. It was 40% off, so I got it for about $5. And I stuffed some of this brown shredded paper in the bottom. And then we got these lavender flowers from the Dollar Tree, and we just snipped them to the right size, and we added some hot glue at the bottom so they would stand inside the galvanized bucket. Now each bundle was $1, and you can add as many as you'd like to give it the fullness that you want. Then we grabbed some jute and we wrapped it around the outside of the bucket a few times, and then we just tied a knot in the front. We took some more jute and we tied a knot on the left handle, and then we strung the jute through the lattice and then went around the back to the right handle and made a knot on that side. And we strung it a couple times to make it nice and tight so that when it hangs, the galvanized bucket stays in place. And then we just tied a knot in the back. We then took this welcome sign that we found at the Dollar Tree and we glued it to the bottom of the board. And there you go. Now you have this cute lavender wall decor made from this inexpensive lattice board we got from Hobby Lobby. Thank you so much for watching, and other tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel.